How can a sales dashboard help business leaders make faster and smarter decisions? In this project, I built an interactive Power BI dashboard that transforms Adidas US sales data into actionable business insights. To make this report truly dynamic, I used Power Query for data preparation and created several data measures to calculate key business metrics such as total sales, profit, unit sold, transaction count, and so on. So now let me walk you through the dashboard together. So we will begin with the homepage. Right now I'm on my homepage. This homepage says as executive overview of the report. I designed this page to give stakeholders a quick snapshot of sales performance across the United States. So on my left, I have a navigation button here that allows the users to move into different report pages. Then at the top here, I have the pictures of the product, and this will also help to showcase the brand, the Adidas brand. So the main visual here is interactive map I have. The user from here, I have the tooltip that shows the performance of retailers and the total sales for each country, each state selected. For example, hovering over this map, I can see for California, I can see that it displays the total sales, units sold, profits, and retailer that contributed to their performance. Likewise in all the cities. So with the help of this tooltip, at a glance, instead of opening another report page, decision making can be accessed directly from this tooltip displayed. And this will also help the management identify the high performing state, evaluating regional performance, and understanding which retailer contributes more in the profit within each location, as you can see from the tooltip. All right, so let's move to the next page, which is the product page. Now, in this product page, this page focuses on the understanding of different products performance from different business perspective. Now, user can interact with this report by selecting different retailers. You can see from here, these are different retailers: Amazon, Food Locker, Kiosk, but these are different retailers. All right, I can also filter by month over here, and also different visuals, different footwears, different products here from the slicers. I also have sales by sales method. I can see from here I have 3 sales method: the in-store, the online, and the outlet. So for each product, I can tell what is what sales method works faster and which one yielded more sales. Now for Amazon, I can see that online was the highest, followed by in-store and all of that. I can see the disparities, changes over the month, the percentage, and the previous month versus previous month performance. So one key insight here is that this page is a breakdown of the sales by sales channels. So in this selection, online, for this one, I can see that online sales generate high revenue compared to in-store and in-store and outlets. Let me also check Walmart. I can see that online is always the top. For each of this retailer, they sell more in. Okay, now for West Gear, sales more in store than online. So these are different insights that you can get from different products, different sales method, and also different retailers for each product, and also their changes previous versus previous month and all. So for this page, I can say from business perspective, this suggests that the customer prefers purchasing more online. Management could also use these insights to strengthen digital marketing campaign, improving online promotions, and continue investing in e-commerce. So the month over month powered by tax measure also helps to identify whether the performance is improving or not, or decline. I can see it depends on the products, you see the changes, and also depends on the retailers. You can compare the changes in their previous performance. So that is that for product design. I'm going into the deep insight page. Yeah, moving into this deep insights, this section provides a more detailed analysis for business performance. As you can see on the top here, I have a sales method. I have sales method that the slicer can use to navigate in different charts that I have. On top here also I have the KPIs showing the total sales, the total units sold, and on each of these I have their variance versus previous month showing in the cart. So I have profit made and transaction count. Beneath here in my chart, I have sales by retailers, sales by product, sales by region, and also total transaction by region. And in the state here, I have the state showing the performance and all of that. Then this sales by state also. So we can also identify that retailers generating the highest revenue for each of the sales method. And the map, just like I said before, is showing the geographical sales concentration and all of that. So this insight answered the most important business questions, such as which retailer contributes the most. Looking at this on online, I can see that Foot Locker contributed most as a retailer. I can also say which product deserve additional marketing trend. If I filter by product, I can see that women attire, athletic footwear needs to needs to improve the marketing investment in this. I can also ask for which region requires stronger sales strategy. I will also see it here by knowing that Northwest region needs more help to improve in their sales performance. So instead of relying on his assumption, business leaders can make confident and data-driven decisions from this dashboard. All right, so that is that for deep insight. We are going into the trend analysis. The trend analysis here, this page will help us to understand the business performance over time. Here I have a comparison over sales, the sales, the KPIs comparing the sales over the year, previous year versus current year. The total sales previous year had we have an increment of 180%. Total unit, everything was positive for on in-store. Then we can also drill down to different sales method here, and you can see for year to year, I can see the decline for Florida and there's improvement for New York. So this this comparison allows management to evaluate business beyond just looking at the total sales. As you can see, I have sales by state trend here, and it shows the profits, the sales, operating margin, and the product performance. So by analyzing this trend, business can identify several seasonal demand and recognize the period of strong performance. As you can see, July and December had the highest sales in the sales by date table. So these insights can support forecasting, inventory planning, market strategies, and also long-term business planning. All right. So to summarize this project I can say that this project goes beyond building the KPIs and charts. So the goal was to transform raw data into a meaningful business intelligence solution that supports informed decision. Using Power Query for data preparation and DAX for dynamic calculation, I developed an interactive data dashboard performing KPI tracking, custom tooltips, graphic analysis, geographic analysis, product performance analysis, month over month, year over month comparison, and the trend analysis. This project challenged me to think like a business intelligence analyst, not just a dashboard developer. Okay, so by focusing on the business question and data needed to answer the questions given. So thank you for watching this video. I would love to hear your feedback as I continue building my skills in Power BI, DAX, and business intelligence. Thank you. Kindly follow for more, and also give me your insights and feedback in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.